Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 9. Se Alama Istanbul. Set in Istanbul, this series revolves around an impossible love. Shehrazad, a resilient and hopeful young woman studying in medical school, dreams of a bright future with her beloved Farhat. However, their lives are turned upside down when Farhat is wrongfully sentenced to death. In a desperate attempt to save him from the gallows, Shehrazad turns to Buyuk Bey, a man known for his dark influence. But there is a catch that she is unaware of. No favor from Buyuk Bey comes without a price, as the unhappy marriage of Buyuk Bey's daughter Shirin and his nephew Kubat intervenes with his plans to maintain his empire. Everyone's lives will be irrevocably changed and nothing will ever be the same again. Number 8. Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardain with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Al Bora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 7. Siakalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nuh learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of the Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The paths of Malik and Nuh, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée, Sivilai. Number 6. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems. Praying for his mistake with his life, left homeless and alone, Leila swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Leila returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Leila's childhood savior Chino reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. Number 5. Birgeje Masali. Mahir, whose father was assassinated in the city of Denizli by Kurshad Kilimchi, returns 20 years later as a police inspector determined to avenge his father's death. On his first day back, he has a fateful encounter with a mesmerizing girl named Janfiza, the daughter of Kurshad, and instantly falls in love. As Mahir searches for this mysterious woman, he also keeps a close watch on Kurshad, waiting for him to slip up. Mahi realizes his chance will come at the wedding of Kurshad's daughter, but what he doesn't know is that this event will change his life forever, marking the beginning of a night filled with unexpected twists. Number 4. Ayazin Sonu Gunesh. Gunesh is a young woman who has just graduated from university and is about to go to London to pursue her ideals. She is forced to give up all her dreams when her brother is imprisoned as a result of a slander. Vowing to save her brother from the hell he has fallen into, Gunesh infiltrates the life of Ayaz, who she thinks is the cause of this situation. Ayaz is unaware that he will pay with love for the big mistake he caused while trying to protect the conglomerate he inherited and his loved ones, while Ayaz, who has been used to live behind the walls, he has built in his heart for years breaks down these walls with the presence of Ganesh. Ganesh cannot avoid being caught between his feelings and revenge. Number 3. Bahar. Bahar, 20 years ago, graduated from medical school but chose to be housewife instead of pursuing a career in medicine. She is married to the successful surgeon Taimur Yavuzolu and has dedicated her life to her husband and children. The seemingly happy Yavuzolu family is shaken by Bahar's illness. Bahar's doctor Avran is determined to save her and says that the only solution is a liver transplant. The only compatible liver in the family belongs to Temur. For the Yavuzolu family, who are tested with a major threshold, nothing will be the same again. Number 2. Ian Oda. Sevgi Arsoy, a famous TV presenter whose career is on the decline, suddenly marries Fikrat Alabe, one of the country's leading businessmen. This unexpected marriage shocks everyone. Both Sevgi and Fikrat have had unhappy marriages in the past. They now want to live out their second chances, but it won't be easy. Their marriage means their very difficult families will come together. The cohabitation of these two very different families under one roof will create bigger problems than Sevgi and Fikrat anticipated, changing the lives of all family members, especially their children, Tylan and Shilele, who are forced to live in adjacent rooms. Number 8. Guzal Ashkalar Diari. Deniz and Erhan, two young people from vastly different worlds, fall in love despite their different backgrounds. Deniz, a vibrant doctor from Izmir, becomes hopelessly entangled with Erhan, a hotelier from the mystical land of Cappadocia. As their romance blossoms, Deniz is introduced to Erhan's family, only to discover that their union is fraught with pearl. Arhan's powerful grandfather Hakim has already arranged his marriage to a woman from another prominent clan, and this clash of dutiful and familial duty versus family personal desire sets the stage for an explosive conflict. Deniz and Erhan, two young people from vastly different worlds, fall in love despite their different backgrounds. Deniz, a vibrant doctor from Izmir, becomes hopelessly entangled with Erhan, a hotelier from the mystical land of Cappadocia. As their romance blossoms, Deniz is introduced to Erhan's family, only to discover that their union is fraught with pearl. Arhan's powerful grandfather Hakim has already arranged his marriage to a woman from another prominent clan, and this clash of dutiful and familial duty versus family personal desire sets the stage for an explosive conflict. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't hit to forget bell icon for more amazing videos like this.